Before I start this video, let's make one thing clear. I know I need a haircut, okay? But the more time that I spend in the barbershop getting my hair cut, that's less time that I have to teach you guys some magic. So you're welcome. Anyways, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pen vanish in thin air. So grab a pen and let's get started. Alright guys, so once you have your pen, you're going to hold it on the ends with your thumb, your pointer finger, and your middle finger. And basically what the move is that you're going to use your middle fingers and you're going to flip the pen into your wrist. So first off, I just want you to hold the pen with one hand and just practice doing this motion with your middle finger moving the pen from one end to the other. Do that over and over until you can do this without dropping it. And also make sure that when you flip it to your wrist, it doesn't do that. So I've seen a lot of magicians, when they do the move, they leave the pen up here in the air, and it doesn't look very magical. So once you have this movement down, you're gonna start to incorporate your other hand. So the hand that is not your dominant hand, the dominant hand being the one that you're gonna do the flipping motion with, the purpose of this hand is to build up pressure. Now, if I just take the pen and I just do this as fast as I can, like it still looks pretty fast, but when I do it in person, you can still tell that it's going into my wrist. So this is a lot faster than doing this, and it also takes a lot less movement from this hand to do it. So to build pressure, what we're going to do is we're going to start to push down on the pen just like you're going to do the motion, but your thumb is going to be in the way of that happening. So basically when you release, so really the key to really sell this trick is to try and keep your hands as still as possible. So one mistake that I see people do when they do this trick is as soon as they do the move, they'll curl their wrist in. And let me show you the difference. This is how it looks when you curl your wrist in. You can tell, right? Now I'm gonna try to do it as still as possible. Ready? 1, 2, and now again, this is going to take a lot of practice to do without moving your wrist, because naturally you're just going to want to curl your wrist in to try and hide the pen from the people watching the trick. Alright, so let's recap from the beginning. So you're going to hold the pen with these 3 fingers on the ends. You're going to use your middle fingers to flip the pen from this position to this position. You are going to build up pressure with your thumb. You're going to push back, and once you release that pressure, boom, you flip the pen. Do not move your hand, do not move your wrist. And finally, don't get frustrated if it doesn't work or if you're moving your wrist. It doesn't matter, just keep practicing. If you're bored in class, for example, you just take your pen, take your pencil, and just do this over and over and over again until you get it down. Alright guys, so this is going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you learned something new, something cool that you can show your friends. Anyways, I will see you guys next time.